Good morning, everyone. Our project name is AI-powered video presentation generator. Our group members are Kamal Nayan, Vijay Pal, me Om, and Rahul Patel. Before diving into our main project, let's understand our UI UX. So here, in input text field, user is going to give the prompt or the topic which they want to generate. Here they can select the number of slides. Here they can select the type of in which language they want to generate the PPT. And on the it's ठीक है. And from this option they can select which kind of tone they want to select to include in the PPT. It can be formal, interactive, funny, and etc. After selecting all these and filling the topic text field, they can simply click on generate video presentation. Before understanding the complete project, let me just simply tell you the technology which we have used in this project. For backend, we have used Python and Fast API. For front end, we have used React plus Vite, modern UI. AI models, we have gone with Google Gemini. For voice, we have gone through Servan AI. It's an Indian language TTS. For animation, we have used Manim. For media processing, we have used Fill, Movie PY, FMMPEG. For image, we have used Unsplash API. From here onwards, Vijay Pal will continue.
So myself, Vijay Pal. So I will explain about core components. So our core component is content generator, script generator, name generator, and voice generator, and then image fetcher as well as video composer. Now I will explain about workflow. So in inputs, user provided topic which they want for presentation, and then number of slides, and as well as language and the tone. Then content generation will happen, and after that AI write per slide narration with time step. Then in parallelly plus image plus animation plus slide rendering will happen. Then we will collect all this and compose with in a video. Then video will render on front end where we can download video. Then these are our workflow diagrams. So we display user start by input by giving input topic, then content generation will happen, and after the content generation the audio generation loop will start. And if animation is needed in a slides, then animation generation will start it, as well as same as like animation. If image is needed in a slide, then we fetch image for that slide or for that slide content. And after that, we collect all media and form a video by composite it, and then video will render on a front end as output. Now after that, Rahul will explain about architecture.
Now, hello everyone, my name is Rahul. Now we are going to see about the architecture diagram of the project. In the front end part, we have used React. For the backend, we have used Fast API. Here is the content generation module where we have used content generation, script generation, and if the animation is required, then we are going to the animation generation module. And all of these three things are done by Gemini API. And here is the media generation pipeline. Like for example, when we required desired language, then Sarvamaya is going to give us the language whatever we have selected. Then if the image is required in the presentation, then Unsplash will give the image to the slide. Then coming to the video composition, like Manim, CLA executor, FMPEG backend, these things are used like MoviePy, audio synchronization, and finally a output video is produced in the form of MP4. Now, here are some of the key features of our project. Like this is one is content and animation. First one is smart content generation, and second one is strategic animation usage. Like Gemini AI analyze automatically that in the presentation is there any requirement of visuals or animation. If the requirement is done, then accordingly to that animation or images are added in the slide. Like second one is strategic animation usage. Like we are not using animation in the every slide. We are only using 1 to 2 animation per presentation and keeping 70 to 80% of slides text only for efficiency purpose. Second one is audio and language. For example, like there is a per slide audio synchronization where the audio is synchronized with this slide, with the every slide. And second one is multi-language support. We are currently offering 4 Indian languages like English, Hindi, Kannada, and Telugu using Sarvam AI. Here is the media processing pipeline. First one is Pillow, second one is MoviePy and Fmpeg. For Pillow, we are using 70 to 80% of slide as PNG images, then render text, titles, and bullet point programmatically and composes them with unsplashed images. For MoviePy, loads the video, images, and audio constants all and slide into a final timeline, overlays animations, and measure exact audio duration for sync. For Fmpeg, like the backend coding engine for both Menim and MoviePy, handle professional grade H.264 video encoding and ASC audio compression. And now for the demo part, Kamal Nayan will continue.
Hello everyone, my name is Kamal and now I am going to show the demo part of our project. This is the input screen page. Like here you can give the topic you want to generate on the video, then number of slide, then the language you can select, and after that you can select tone. And it will give output in the video presentation format. And inside that video, you may get two types of slide. Like this one is a static slide with image and text, and this one is with animation. Now I will show live demo of that. This is our input page. Here I can let's take the example, like explain the course visual. I am keeping the slide 5. Then language, I will select Hindi, and let's select this integrity and generate video presentation. It will, after a few minutes, it will give the output. This is the output after a few minutes, what we have input, given input. This is the static slide part. Now, this is the slide with animation.
Now we will see the demo of our project. First, we will run the backend, then we will start the front end part. Like we will see the front end. Now the front end had done. Like we will go to the localhost where we are going to ask a prompt like explain force with visuals. We will type it, then we will select the number of slide as 5, then we'll keep the language as Hindi, and we will keep the tone and enthusiastic, and we will start the generating the video. Now the video generation is going on. Now we'll move to the backend part where we can see that what's going in the backend. You can see that first of all, generation of presentation is going on. Now audio for each of the slide is generating, and like you can see that first slide, second slide audio is generated, third slide audio is generated. Now after generation of the audio for this slide, no, in the fourth slide we can see that there is a requirement of animation, and creation of animation is going on. Like and other thing is rendering of animation of in the slide 4 is also going on. Now we are seeing that like each of the frames is getting combined. Like there are 334 7 frames. Like we are doing that with the help of MoviePy. Now all the frames have been merged. Now we'll see in the next step where the video
तो
final video
नमस्ते
generation is
दोस्तों,
on.
आज हम बल के
You
रहस्य
can
को
see that the
समझेंगे।
slide is in
बल,
English
तो
and the
चलिए अब
explanation
देखते
whatever the
हैं बल
language we
कितने
are
प्रकार
selected
के
the
होते
Hindi
हैं।
is going on.
इस
Like it is
तस्वीर में आप
explaining
देख सकते
everything.
हैं, जब आप एक भारी
For
बक्से
the slide number 4 we
गुरुत्वाकर्षण
have
बल
seen that
एक
there was a
अद्भुत गैर
requirement of
संपर्क बल
animation,
है
so
जो
the
हर चीज
animation
को
is going
पृथ्वी
on
के
like
केंद्र की ओर
force
खींचता है।
in the
स्क्रीन
axis
पर
of
देखिए,
gravity. Like the
जैसे
video
ही
is
ऐसे
explaining
पेड़ की
gravity
शाखा
with
से
the
अलग
help of
होता है,
animation. The ball
इसे
is
कोई भी
going down
धक्का या
to
बल
the
एक
ground.
सदिश राशि है
Now you
जिस
can see like we have option for downloading video. Then finally
We have conducted evaluation on the, we have circulated the Google form and collect the data. We got this, like which language video did you watch, then rate the video quality. We got average of the 6, 8, and how well the audio synchronized. We got 5 response for the 9, and rate the content quality. And similarly, we have done overall rating part. This is a suggestion given by the people who fill the form, like in the content and explanation part. They like the content, clarity, and explanation. And suggestion for improvement is to enhance the video part, adding more animation part. And in the audio language, uh, they like the different types of audio. And in the pacing, one respondent noted that video was really fast. And in the innovation and impact, in the technical innovation, our pre-slide audio syncing, AI-driven resource optimization, and dynamic meme generation feature make our project innovative. And impact and use case is ideal for the educational content, like in the online courses and tutorials. And also, it is good for the math and science concept explanation. And bottom line is reduce the complex video production from hours or days to the minutes. And this is our project resource link. Thank you.